Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
We will build a face recognition pipeline using modern neural networks and open frameworks. Start by defining clear project goals and constraints for accuracy and latency. Specify privacy targets and compliance requirements before collecting data. Set measurable metrics like 98% closed set accuracy and 200 ms average latency. Plan for deployment on edge devices or cloud GPUs depending on cost and scale. Decide whether identification, verification, or detection is the primary feature for your system. Collect diverse images with at least 50,000 photos balanced across age, gender, and lighting. Use automated face detectors and manual review to ensure label quality. Preprocess images to 112 x 112 pixels and apply face alignment to standardize inputs. Choose architectures like ResNet 100 for accuracy or Mobile FaceNet for low-latency use cases. Train with batch sizes around 256 and a starting learning rate of 0.001 using softmax and arcface losses. Validate on a held-out set and report false accept and false reject rates. Choose deployment on edge devices or cloud servers depending on latency and cost targets. Aim for a 200 ms end-to-end latency for real-time scenarios and account for camera constraints like 3.5-inch lenses. Store only 128 8D embeddings and encrypt templates to minimize personal data exposure. Implement liveness checks and GDPR-style consent workflows for lawful processing. Evaluate using ROC curves, measure a 0.1% false accept rate target, and run adversarial and stress tests before production release.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.